Very Kim K inspired. I love it.
You don't know how these shows work, to be honest.
No, wait, what?
ओकर से start करो ना, ओकर.
हेलो मैडम जी, लग रही हो कमाल. सत श्री अकाल.
I have no idea what that means.
Fashion doesn't necessarily all the time mean that it's got to have too many layers or too much of
Correct.
color or too
That
much
is
of
true.
bling. So my M-like goes to Devonsh and Sepia.
मैं बोल ही रहा था, मैंने कहा 5-5 हो जाएंगे.
What this means? Are you ready for the next content brief?
Yes.
You will be making content for Puma.
So guys, now the actual tough part begins. 3 of you will leave us in the next episode.
This is our judgment day, you guys. Super
All
scared.
of us are on the same
We're like the same score.
Yeah, so this post is going to be like do or die.
Litty in the house. Litty in the house. Hello. What's up, guys?
We are excited.
So, look at you. Only 6 left, huh?
Oh yes.
पर जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, सिर्फ एक ही बनेगा Myntra Fashion Superstar and win a contract worth rupees 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs.
So, influencers, keep your A game on. And now, as you're aware, for your next post, your client is Puma. And the brand brief is...
Leisure in athleisure.
Today's post is very crucial for you to get likes. क्योंकि आज the top 3 on the like board will run straight into the semi-final. Possibly Puma के shoes पहन के. So, aim to be on the top, not the bottom of the like board. Let's get this started. All the best.
All right, thank you.
So today we gotta make a post for Puma. As a stylist, I've worked with a lot of athleisure brands. Although I'm a little bit nervous today because it's the competition, super intense. We're just gonna kill each other right now because there's no mercy.
So to go to top 3 में brand को satisfy करना पड़ेगा. Brand के लिए post create करना पड़ेगा. If the brand is not happy, then it's not gonna work.
Maybe हम oversized t-shirt से कुछ करेंगे. They have like really long oversized t-shirt.
ये मेरे को लग रहा है भाई ये 10 नंबर है. Let me see. Oh, absolutely. And the color is red. एकदम pop करेगा.
Bridal look that I'm doing, pairing it with Puma, which is weird, but I'm trying to do it.
How about this one? It's cool. So ये वाला select कर लिया. गाइस देखो ऐसे ऐसे मतलब इतना टेंशन है कि पता ही नहीं चल रहा पीछे क्या आगे क्या है. बस आगे मुझे अभी दिख रहा है टॉप 3 में जाना है बस.
I guess more or less we are sorted.
I guess basically that's it. I'm just gonna move now and go change and shoot the video. I'm doing a video post, by the way. So yeah, bye guys. See you guys down there in the shooting area.
Smoke. बस.
बहुत सेक्सी होने वाला है. भाई आपका ढोल वाला बनने वाला है. आई होप बढ़िया ढोल बना दो. मैं सेट पे सबको नचा दूंगा भाई सबको.
बजा 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 बजा.
बस भाई थक गया.
ओके डन. एक्शन. ज़्यादा लाइट पीछे लो. देख.
अभी सेटअप बहुत सेक्सी लग रहा है और जो मैंने लिखा है इस बार मतलब थोड़ा अलग लिखा है. बीट भी बहुत अलग है तो मज़ा आएगा.
बस एक देखना तो लाइटिंग वगैरह. Very nice.
Life is exactly how I wanted it to be. I have an amazing team. They understand my vision.
Obsessed.
I always had this 80s kind of fantasy retro, and I'm bringing it to life. It's amazing.
ये फ्रेम में आएगा if I keep it here.
Yeah, keep it है वो है फ्रेम में है. Rolling, fan on, action, trolley पीछे.
हम सुष्मिता सेन वाला सीन कर रहे हैं वहाँ ट्रॉली पे ऐसे ऐसे हो रहे हैं और आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दिस बट शॉट्स बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं बहुत कमर्शियल दिख रहे हैं तो देखते हैं एडिटिंग के बाद क्या होता है.
स्मोक चल गया है, मस्त मजा आ रहा है, फुल ऑन काम करने में मेरे को एनर्जी मिल रही है.
स्मोक दादा अभी रुकना मत.
आवाज सुन रहा हूं, उधर स्मोक. ओह माय गॉड, ओह आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. चलो शॉट देंगे सेक्सी. मैं अपना एक भी सेकंड वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहता, बट मैं बार शॉट नहीं देना चाहता, तो आई वांट कि एक बारी में परफेक्ट निकल जाए फटाफट जो भी है, बिकॉज आई नो मैं एडिट में सब सही निकल जाएगा.
Then movement will show like shoes का ही only mostly. थोड़ा बहुत सबका, but Puma बहुत ज़्यादा दिखना चाहिए shoes.
Whenever I move, no, वो frame में नहीं आया. Like just move ना, दोनों move करेंगे. हाँ, दोनों frame में आना चाहिए. मैंने 5 looks का plan करा था, but 4 looks भी नहीं हो पाया. I hope this time executions works well.
करेंगे गाइस, दिखाओ. See कितना क्रिएटिव दिमाग लगा रहे हैं हम लोग कि हमारे को जैसा चाहिए वैसा शॉट मिल जाए. अभी टाइम नहीं है बिकॉज टाइम ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाला है, तो गाइस जल्दी मिलते हैं बाद में.
No, I have to sit like this. These are the last shots, or this is the 4th scene, and I'm gonna show that you can wear sneakers with Indian wear.
थोड़ा सा ऐसे रखना क्रॉस. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Perfect.
One more, sorry.
I don't think so. I'm gonna finish my pose. I've worked so hard for this look. I need to really rush. Let me complete my pose, and I guess I'm just gonna cry right now.
हेलो. स्टैंडिंग ले लेते हैं इसके, लाइक ऊपर से नीचे ऐसा वाला.
हाँ?
बहुत थक गए, एग्जॉस्ट हो गया हूँ अब मेरे को हो रहा है कि बस ख़त्म करो, बिकॉज जितना जल्दी यहाँ से ख़त्म करूँगा उतना ज़्यादा एडिटिंग में कर पाऊँगा. चलते हैं एडिटिंग के लिए. हाँ चलो.
और बस अब लाइन अप कर रहे हैं. कलर थोड़ी सी सर सीसी करना पड़ेगा इसको, है ना. और ग्राफिक्स में जो पूमा के लिए कोलैब, जैसे एक लोकल लड़का एक्स पूमा स्टार्टिंग में.
Basically today we've shot 4 different looks, and it's 4 different eras. So we have shot the transitions also from one era to another. We just gotta merge them.
Puma to just get highlighted, the logos and stuff. More like an ad, and it is like I'm expecting it to be like 30 to 40 seconds maximum, not much.
Oh my god, I'm finally done with the edit. It was such a long process today, and I hope, like, you know, I get to the top 3. Bye-bye.
ये बताया ना, अच्छा है ना पूमा का. यार इसमें कौन सा कोड लगे.
Litty coming back to stress you out a little. You should be a little stressed क्योंकि ये पोस्ट डिसाइड करेगी कौन मिंत्रा फैशन सुपरस्टार के टॉप 3 तक पहुंचेगा और कौन 3 यहाँ से सीधा घर जाएंगे. Your time to upload will end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Upload.
Okay, guys, should we go?
Yeah.
All pull up your blazers and your dresses, girls, and welcome to Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 in association with Varanga beauty partner MyGlam.
I cannot believe कि आज एपिसोड के एंड तक 3 लोग हमें छोड़ के फिर से चले जाएंगे और जो 3 बचेंगे उनमें से एक बनेगा मिंत्रा फैशन सुपरस्टार.
And the Myntra Fashion Superstar is going to get 50 lakhs worth of contract with Myntra Studios.
मुझे दे दो.
Same. I was just
मुझे दे दो.
And I can't believe this decision is in our hands. क्या exciting journey रही है, कितना interesting experience था. You know, some days the posts have been absolutely exceptional. कुछ दिन थोड़े problematic थे, कुछ दिन हमने थोड़ा उनको school किया, थोड़ा mentor किया, थोड़ा teacher किया. But at the same time, the fashion, The fashion, it's Myntra Fashion Superstar. Ashna, what do you think about the fashion on this show?
Honestly, we know Myntra is a fashion expert and they have over 5,000 top brands, and we've seen their fashion grow, haven't we? From episode 1 when we've given them advice and feedback. I feel like they've all like made changes in their style and we've seen them grow, and they have so much to choose from.
Though I have to say, like creators like Priyam, Queen Andrew, they have a very interesting fashion style. उनका fashion बहुत on point रहा है. It's so amazing for someone like me who knows, been designing for years, to see such young talent, so evolved, और इनका एक fashion sense और एक वो जो कहते हैं ना Gen Z का जो एक swag है और एक zing है, कितना ज़्यादा है उनमें. And even like अगर आप देवांश को देखिए, उनका style simplistic है मगर interesting है, you know, relatable है. It's been a lot of learning for me as well to see such fabulous you know, creators at Myntra Fashion Superstar.
Who do you not see in the top 3 as of now?
I'm scared for Zian.
I was just going to say
I'm
Zian.
I'm scared for CPR.
And CPR.
CPR is good, but these people are really
Better,
pushing it every episode. It's like being good is not enough right now.
मुझे लग रहा है कि आज का जो अंडरडॉग होगा वो होगा अंकित. क्योंकि मुझे ये fear है कि इसका इतना comfort zone है कि I hope he puts in a little more effort and doesn't take it for granted.
आज का content brief है guys. Leisure in Athleisure with our wonderful sports giant Puma.
And very important to note कि इतनी ज़्यादा freedom, इतनी ज़्यादा आज़ादी दी थी हमें ने कुछ भी करने के लिए, और we wanted them to really push the boundary, and they have to, considering their top 6, and today is the episode where we decide the top 3, so they really have to bring it today.
एक बहुत interesting बात ये होगी कि what's the fashion that they bring in, because athleisure can be also very simplistic.
Yes.
And in fact nowadays everybody's in athleisure, right?
Yes.
Because that's become our comfort zone and a fashion zone. So देखते हैं कि these creators that we have, what do they do? Because I think they're bright and मुझे लग रहा है कुछ interesting करेंगे.
Drum rolls to the pole. Let's go to the Myntra Studio homepage. Our first creator performing, giving us sensation in athleisure with Puma is Queen Andrew.
Wow, I love her.
I look forward to her. मैं तो इन्हीं को देखने
Every
आती हूँ.
time.
You are multifaceted, so is Puma. Hashtag leisure and athleisure. Hashtag Puma for everything. I love the caption. ये brands को यही चाहिए.
So what I really like about her line is that it's to the point, but बहुत ही effective. Don't you think so?
Yes, I agree. Just one line and she said it all.
Yes.
Okay, let's watch it.
Let's watch it.
Let's watch
Play
it.
and go.
Told myself it's just a game, but no one ever made me feel this way.
Yeah, I'm the OG. Everybody here know me. I make it rain at the party. OG. Everybody here know me. Everybody here know I'm the OG.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, love.
That last
Fantastic.
look.
Looks like an ad.
This is a brand
Fabulous.
ad.
Her airport look is the best.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
I like all, like each, every.
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था.
I love the second one.
And Santu, the referencing was on
The
point.
referencing was absolutely on point. The Let's Get Physical.
And the attitude.
The Olivia Newton-John's Let's Get Physical. The Paris Hilton Simple Life. The 70s disco. The Kendall Jenner, like you said. Goth.
And you know, I have to say, Queen is such an evolved creator. And she
Absolutely.
creates for an evolved fashion audience.
Yeah.
You know, people who know their references, people who know their eras.
But even when you don't, like I don't know a lot of references, it's still so entertaining for me
It's
to
so
watch.
entertaining.
It's for everyone.
Her content is education, her content is information, her content is the moment.
It is the moment. It is the moment.
I think she's very intelligent.
Yeah.
She connects her fashion, she makes it relatable. And you know what I love about her is that she's not over the top.
Yeah.
She makes her fashion believable.
Yeah.
I mean, look at her last look. I absolutely loved it.
And then can I add, you said she adds attitude, fashion, color. उस पर एक रिसर्च का तड़का भी लगाती है.
Yeah, exactly.
रिसर्च करती हैं ये. And you know, it's so important to research when you're doing fashion. Fashion blogging or fashion content is just not wearing clothes and just standing in front. There is so much history to fashion, and when you respect it and when you reference it the way she does, magic happens.
मैं अपना point लिखूं?
Yes, sir.
Fashion on point, always.
Always, what a compliment.
My comment was, Queen, don't be so good also यार, मुझे insecurity हो रही है.
Yay.
के चेहरों पे नजर.
You're there, up there, honey. Top 3.
Welcome to Top 3, Queen Andrew.
I just want to say that this video is the benchmark for whatever we're going to see today. I'm so glad कि सबसे पहली वीडियो देखी
Very high
हमने.
benchmark.
Very high benchmark.
और ये ऐसी वीडियो है जो ऑलरेडी सोशल मीडिया पर जा सकती है और ब्रांड्स इसको देखकर बोलेंगे कि ऐसा कंटेंट बनाना है.
Okay, guys, so who's next?
Sepia.
Sepia's caption is always say yes to athleisure, always say yes to Puma. Puma everywhere, hashtag athleisure FTW, hashtag leisure and athleisure.
Okay, let's watch it.
Nice.
Can't stop till I get enough. One touch of miles above. Must have been bit by the bug. It's got me crushing her because I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. I like it.
I like
I
it.
like it.
Very
I like it.
I like
I like it.
Very nice.
Wow, that's really nice.
Also, her makeup looks amazing in the second look.
Makeup and hair.
Sepia activate हो गई है.
That's exactly what I've commented. I've commented, what is this new confidence?
What is the
New
new confidence?
See, I'm not gonna lie. Today जब मैंने टॉप 6 हमारे क्रिएटर्स देखे तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा कि सीपिया शायद इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग
Weakling,
नहीं है.
weakling.
Of course,
I would
we were worried
feel
about
like
her.
सीपिया कहीं ना कहीं मेरे टॉप 3 में नहीं थी.
Correct.
पर ये कंटेंट दिखाकर उन्होंने मुझे ही एक डबल टेक करने को फोर्स कर दिया है.
The second look is incredible.
Pink will really attract, and then I loved her last look, you know.
Yeah,
I love
the
that.
next
The chain on the, even the colors, the green and the
Yeah.
white in the back, the look. I loved it.
यार एक और लाइक दे दो प्लीज.
Ouch.
Welcome to Top 3,
Welcome to
Sepia.
top 3, Sepia. एक स्पॉट रह गया और 4 लोग रह गए.
We'll go to the Myntra Studio homepage
Okay.
and to our next creator, Miss Zian.
Oh, interesting.
Zian has written, setting up the vibe by turning activewear into comfy outerwear.
Outerwear होना चाहिए था.
हाँ, ये गलती हो गई. In style, cause why not? Hashtag leisure in athleisure. Hashtag Puma X Zian.
Ah, nice.
Nice.
Let's watch the video.
Oh.
Yes.
Love. I love her hair.
Office look.
Oh, office look.
Wow.
I love it.
She's killed it.
Her fashion was fabulous.
So good.
I just want to
It was
say
really
that
good.
flaming red-haired girl has
Fantastic.
arrived.
Right. Yeah, that's true.
ऐसे तो जजेस के लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा फिर।
I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to do.
You know my favorite part about the video? Usually you would expect a lot of transitions. This has none of those. It's very chill. She's just being herself.
So true. You know, और मैंने notice किया है कि जब color आता है on social media, it captivates the viewer, especially girls. Likes बहुत आते हैं. And then I loved her last look. You know, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. I think very relatable.
I said, Zian, you have sold every single look to me as an audience. You are a fashion girl at core, and I truly believe that.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you.
I commented, love this new look. You've raised the bar and how?
I commented, who is this new Zian? I'm obsessed. New girl, who's she?
Likes पे चलें?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Asha.
So far, Sepia, Queen, Zian are all at 5 likes each.
So guys, M like पे pressure बढ़ रहा है. जो M like का है, I'm getting a bit
बढ़
worried now.
चुका है M like.
बढ़ चुका है.
Thankfully, हम पे नहीं है pressure.
Going back to the Myntra studio,
Yes.
we'll go to our next creator, जिन्होंने fashion rap category को
Oh, आपके
invent
favorite.
किया. के favorite.
Let's face it, हम सबके favorite क्योंकि हम उसी की वजह से सब लड़ाई करते हैं.
But let it be known कि वो favoritism की वजह से नहीं है. उन्होंने अपना earn किया है spot. अंकित ने अपने आप को time and again prove किया है.
मेरे वीडियो चलने वाला और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टेंस हूँ. इसके बाद गेम इन गेम आउट पता नहीं, I don't know. Finger crossed.
I think MM should read Ankit's caption.
Yeah, MM should read Ankit's caption.
Yes.
डालू प्यूमा चले हर जगह पार्टी वेडिंग लेके ऑफिस भाई. हैशटैग एंक एक्स प्यूमा. हैशटैग प्यूमा हर जगह.
I like
हैशटैग
Puma everywhere को stay.
लीजर इन एथलीजर. हैशटैग अंकित वैद.
Let's watch.
Local
लड़का.
लोकल लड़का इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल पास पास मेरी पूरी फाइल डालू पुमा चले हर जगह ही पार्टी वेडिंग लेके ऑफिस पास लोकल लड़का इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल पास पास मेरी पूरी फाइल डालू पुमा चले हर जगह ही पार्टी वेडिंग लेके ऑफिस पास ओ बन के मैं रहता हूँ टिप टॉप बॉस मैं करो ना डेस्कटॉप हाथ लगे मेरा चेस्ट पर चीज वो बने है क्रिस्टल जर्मन टेरा से जर्मन पेरा से स्टाइल दिल लंदा में नवी लारा वे पीना पसंद करा लेमनेड हॉट में जीवे इस समर लोकल लड़का इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल पास पास मेरी पूरी फाइल डालू पुमा चले हर जगह ही पार्टी वेडिंग लेके ऑफिस पास लोकल लड़का इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल पास पास मेरी पूरी फाइल डालू पुमा चले हर जगह ही पार्टी वेडिंग लेके ऑफिस बाय लेट्स गो डालू पुमा चले हर जगह ही पार्टी वेडिंग लेके ऑफिस बाय
I think I'm going to start liking rap because of your songs. Yeah.
You know what is this? You know, Manish, when international brands come to India,
Yeah.
Yes.
and they do an India-specific launch where they will have Puma written in Hindi.
Yes.
This is that campaign.
How it's done. This is a ready product.
I feel this is mass and beyond appeal.
Yeah.
Very boy appeal. Also, the girls are going to really like this swaggy guy who's singing, who's really cool, who's got attitude. बहुत बहुत अच्छा था.
Can I just say कि रैप करने के चक्कर में आप बहुत बार फैशन को मिस कर सकते
exactly.
हैं. इसने इस बार फैशन को फोरफ्रंट पे रखा है.
I absolutely agree with you.
एंड रैप को भी उसने उतना ही फोरफ्रंट पे रखा है. एंड टू बी एबल टू डू दिस लोकल
And
लड़के
I
में बात है.
I think this has been the best content.
Yes.
Yeah.
I said Ankit, fashion on point, heart, 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 and I immediately put a like as well.
Kill.
मुझे डर लग रहा है कि ये सब क्रिएटर्स अब मिलकर एक साथ एक्टिवेट हो रहे हैं. हम कैसे डिसीजन लेंगे आज टॉप 3 का? हम सबको लाइक दे रहे हैं.
मुझे तो लगता है मेरे M like पर इतना प्रेशर आ रहा है कि I really don't know कि it's just
आपके एम लाइक पे तो आज बहुत बोझ है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
ये
तो 5 हो गए हमके.
अब रिलीव हूँ मैं थोड़ा. सबके 5-5 हो गए तो हमारा मेरी टेंशन थोड़ी कम हो गई.
Let's go to Myntra Studio homepage, and our next creator is Priyam.
find comfort in the chaos, and she has tagged Puma.
She's the
Hashtag
only creator
who has tagged Puma, which is very important.
Very important.
It's the most important.
Most
thing.
important.
Hashtag comfort is the ultimatum. Hashtag Puma. Hashtag leisure in athleisure.
I like it.
I'm very nervous. Let's go watch it. Let's watch it and pay.
Sucker punch, your biscuit, your lawyer. Hit you harder than 6 from Angola. Bam, 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 was so nice to know you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Running quarter wasted in my parents' basement. Bubblegum in braces, stuck on being dangerous. Ran across the babies and I did it naked. Look at me now, look at me now. Guess I got the upper hand now. I guess I got the upper hand now. I bet you wish it all went to plan, but truth be told, I don't give a damn. I guess I got the upper hand now. I got the upper hand.
Guys,
Wow. I want to just clap. Like, I just want to clap. Just want to clap. This looks like
guys,
a campaign.
Puma everywhere, Puma anytime. Was so phenomenal. I mean, look at the way she's done
This
it.
looks like an international campaign.
We have to do top 4.
Game over. Game खत्म हो चुका है.
No, I just feel overwhelmed looking at this.
It's an art piece.
This is next level.
Beautiful.
It's fucking content at its
Fantastic.
best.
Nobody should go out, यार. Nobody should go out.
हमको निकाल दो.
हमको निकाल दो, इनको रख लो.
हाँ
please.
हाँ चलेगा.
मैं तो जा रहा हूँ.
Oh my god, Ashna has commented, I'm screaming. They've done
I'm
such a
screaming.
screaming.
Okay, should I send my comment? Fashion beyond point.
Oh.
Beyond point.
Oh my
कौन
god.
से beyond
कौन
जाएगा?
से beyond?
Thank you also.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
सो गाइस अभी तक जो लोग खुश हो रहे थे कि हमें 5 लाख मिल गए, हम लोग सेफ हो गए. सबकी अभी सिटी बिटी गुम हो गई, इवन इंक्लूडिंग मी ऑल्सो. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझे अच्छा लगा, बट अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि ये गेम क्या चल रहा है. भाई दया गेम क्या चल रहा है ये?
मेरी तो वीडियो भी नहीं प्ले हो भाई.
ये अभी भी सहमा हुआ है. इसके बाल खड़े हो गए,
मुझे
सिर के
समझ
बाल खड़े हो गए हैं इसके डर के मारे.
I will go to the Minter Studio homepage and we'll go to our next creator.
Devansh Kamboj.
Dhol can get you to dance, and with Puma on your feet, you won't miss any chance.
Oh, that's so cool.
Dhol with Puma, Leisure, Groove in Puma, Dave X Puma. I am gagged by this fashion look.
Yeah.
I love it.
I am shook.
I love.
Yeah.
Let's play.
शुक मतलब शुक हो गई मैं.
Step into the party, calling everybody. Step into the party, calling everybody. Come on, move your body, yeah. Come into the boom boom.
Boom boom.
It was a vibe.
वो वाला बहुत
Amazing.
बहुत बढ़िया है भाई.
I have a very interesting tidbit before we go anywhere.
हाँ.
जो बंद गला है,
हाँ.
जैकेट है, वो एक मिंत्रा स्टूडियो पे एक क्वर्की यंग ब्रांड है, बोआ बर्ड करके,
Okay.
जो मिंत्रा इंक्यूबेट करता है.
अच्छा.
और वो एक यंग ब्रांड से है.
Oh, very interesting.
Can I say, मेरे लिए as an audience ये सबसे ज़्यादा variable है. I love his energy यार.
At the end of the day, and if Puma associates with the creator, उनको अपना शू, अपना जो भी अपनी merchandise है उसको बेचना है. और जिस तरह इन्होंने शू पर फोकस किया है, my eyes only go on the shoe and how it's styled. You know, at the end of it is a great brand association, great brand film, and the association is only it's so unique. The first image of the juta flying.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I had goosebumps.
Fashion beyond point, heart, and alike.
I'm overwhelmed.
I have said chalo.
I wrote, I'm officially a fan.
Oh fuck.
Kill कर दिया.
तुम्हारे चल रहा है भाई, तुम्हारी स्क्रीन है.
I feel like I'm not equipped to like judge content like this. It's
Yeah.
insane.
Beyond judgment.
Fantastic.
I've written Devansh, when the shoe flew, I flew too.
All six are five.
Amazing.
All 6 creators are at 5 likes each.
Fantastic.
This is going to be
भगवान बचाए.
देखते हैं हम टॉप 3 में कौन कौन जाता है, वो या एक अलग पॉइंट है. अभी सबको डर लग रहा है. लेट्स सी क्या होता है.
Okay, guys. So on a serious note, they all are just so brilliant.
Yeah.
that they're just fantastic. And M like को तो छोड़ो, I don't even know which are the 3 creators that we are going to ask them to leave today. It's a real tough call.
From Myntra Studio homepage, let's go to the like board. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारे सामने है 6 क्रिएटर्स बहुत ही टैलेंटेड और सबके स्कोर्स बहुत अलग हैं. सीपिया इज एट 10, देवांश इज एट 10, अंकित इज एट 10, प्रियम इज एट 10, क्वीन इज एट 10, जियान इज एट 10.
Unfortunate बात ये है कि the format of the show says that 3 creators have to leave us today, correct? दूसरी बात, we keep resetting, right? So we reset the like board, and so today all of them are, all on 10 likes. और एक बार ये भी देख लेते हैं, I think कि अगर like board reset नहीं होता, तो आज उनके numbers क्या?
Actually, Queen would be leading.
Of course.
With 32 likes.
Wow.
Wow.
And she
Queen.
has received 2 M likes.
Wow.
Already, yes.
2 M likes. On second position would be Priyam with 29 likes and Priyam को भी 1 M like मिला है.
My favorite.
Third position पे है होते Devansh with 28 likes and उनका M like उनको कितने मिले हैं आप guess कर सकते हैं, guess कर सकते हैं, guess कर सकते हैं. I don't care what you guys guess. It's 1. Fourth position पे होती Sepia with 25 likes and Sepia has also received 1 M like.
from a Kim K.
इसका जो M like था देवांश के साथ था.
Fifth position पे होती Ziyan with 22 likes and last पे है अंकित.
अंकित के likes कितने थे?
90.
But can I say something? क्योंकि इस शो का फॉर्मेट ही ऐसा है कि लाइक बोर्ड रीसेट होता है. Look at what Ankit has done now.
I wanted to say
Look
that.
at उसने अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके उसका क्या किया है.
भाई मैंने कहा था कि वंडर डॉग है और अंकित has proved to be a phenomenal creator today. But M like के हकदार है कि नहीं ये मैं सोच रहा हूँ because look guys it's really difficult कि किसे M like जाना चाहिए.
This is incredible. I can't believe all 6 of you have killed it. And you have the same score. Now, Manish's game-changing M-like will decide which one of you is assured a guaranteed spot in the semi-finale of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
My M like will decide who goes into semi-finals of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
Oh my god.
And my M like goes to Priyam is a very, very fabulous creator. Her fashion is always on point.
Wow.
And she is in the
Fair.
semi-finals of Myntra Fashion Superstar.
Wow.
एक सस्पेंस, एक सरप्राइज है.
Where is this going?
And इस बार I think I must give one more M Light.
Yes.
Influencers, thanks to your amazing posts, Manish was so impressed with your fashion game that he has decided to give one more M-like today.
The second creator who goes into the Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 semi-final is...
Oh my God!
फाइनली मेरे को M like मिल गया. I'm happy. और इस मौके में मिला मुझे M like तो मैं ज़्यादा excited हुआ.
So guys, we have Priyam in the semi-final. We have Ankit, hot favorite, and he did a phenomenal job. Look at the way he rose.
Yeah,
Now,
absolutely.
we have to choose the third creator. I also have a thought. I think we should change the format.
इतने सारे क्वेश्चन चल रहे हैं दिमाग के अंदर कि फाइनल में कौन से 3 जा रहे हैं लोग, टॉप 3 कौन होंगे. So it's really confusing and now waiting for कि अगला क्या धमाका फटने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. Just waiting for it.
Everybody's video was stunning. At this point, anybody can get to the top 3. There could not be a top 3 as well.
Because they all were so phenomenal. And instead of 3, we should choose 4.
Yes.
Let's do that. For the semi-final and give one more person.
Let's go.
Give one more creator a chance
I
to
love
win or
that.
not win.
We should.
But I think we should do that.
Let's fucking go.
Hey guys! All of y'all were just phenomenal today. Congratulations, Priyam. Congratulations, Ankit.
Thank you.
Y'all two are now a part of the semi-final of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
Let's go! Ankit, कैसा लगा? First M like.
पहली बार मिला है, मेरे को मजा आ गया.
Can I just say कि अंकित की बत्तीसी बंद ही नहीं हो रही है and अंकित और प्रियम दोनों एकदम contrasting images of happiness है कि
Yeah.
दोनों प्रियम
Priyam,
Hi,
Priyam, what are you thinking?
Priyam,
Priyam, what are you
I want to
thinking?
say this. मुझे आपका साइलेंस इतना ब्यूटीफुल लगता है क्योंकि आप इतनी साइलेंट हैं and you make your work speak.
Priyam, oh,
Priyam.
I want to talk to the rest of you and Devansh, how are you feeling?
अभी बस यही चल रहा है दिमाग के कि भैया आगे क्या होता है, मतलब कौन सा धमाका देते हो आप लोग. एंड जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट. टेंशन चल रही है बेसिकली दिमाग में.
Queen, will you be like, if you have to go home today, would you think it would be like fair?
Injustice. Do you
Injustice?
think it'll be injustice?
Tell us.
No, to be, I mean, honestly, I would definitely be shocked a bit because.
yes, honey.
And intuitively, I still feel like I might be there.
Fab, you're fab.
Yeah, so let's see what happens.
Because this is the
Queen,
only
I'm
week where
so
you
glad,
didn't get the
yeah.
M like.
Sepia,
Yes.
do you think, क्या तुम्हें लगता है, you should be the third semi-finalist?
Yeah, I think.
Nice.
I want to talk to the new Zian that we're seeing here. Hi Zian, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? Are you
Thinking nothing. I'm just like listening to the whole conversation.
I wanted to ask you, do you think you deserve to be in the top 3?
Yes, I would definitely say yes because we all are here to win the Myntra Fashion
Yes.
Superstar. So even I'm one of them.
हम लोगों के लिए बहुत difficult हो जाता है because the format of the show is that 3 creators, you know, go into the semi-finals, right? And so it is a difficult task to choose the third creator. And the third creator who goes into the semi-final is Queen Andrew.
Congratulations, Queen!
Queen, कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling?
I'm thrilled, of course. I'm super thrilled, super excited. Thank you so much.
You do know that from here it gets tougher. मगर आप लोग इतना अच्छा content बनाते हो. Honestly, I wanted all of y'all in the semi-final. but that's not possible because that's not the format of the show.
Yeah.
मगर एक थोड़ा सा मैंने फॉर्मेट को ब्रेक किया है. I succeeded in doing that on getting the 4th creator into the semi-finals. Because मेरे लिए जो creator consistently अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और उनका content on point है, उनका fashion भी on point है, relatable है, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो आएं semi-final में, उनको एक और मौका मिले. So the 4th creator who gets into the semi-final of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 is Devansh Kamboj. So Devansh, welcome to the semi-final of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
Congratulations! On this note, I have to tell Zian and Sepia, आप लोग आज एक win पर घर जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Go out in the real world, kill it because you guys are bound to. Congratulations to all 6 of you.
Bye guys. See you in the
Congratulations.
semi-finals.
Top 4, Devansh, Queen, Priyam and Ankit. Congratulations.
Bye. See you guys. See you.
Bye. Bye.
तो मुझे नहीं लगा था कि आज मैं घर जाऊंगी. I was quite confident that I will make it to top 3, but I don't think luck was in my favor today.
I am okay with the decision because I think my execution it was not nice and I reached to top 6. That was a big deal for me. Let's see आगे जाके बाहर में क्या होता है. For now, congratulations to top 4.
Oh my God! Hi. Look at that.
You did so well today.
Thank you.
So well.
I want to say you guys have killed it today. Absolutely smashed it. I see growth. I see potential. I see you guys going ahead and doing so much good work and so much like a brand work. Because this was a brand challenge. This is real life.
And honestly, you guys are superstars already. It's only upwards from here. Like, honestly.
Should we all stand up and clap for them?
Yes. I am thank you. We are so proud of you.
And boys, their gifts.
You have some gifts from our beauty partner, My Glam, so you can live fabulously and glamorously.
You guys are going home with a contract with Myntra Studio.
And with 5 fans.
Yes.
We're going home with 5 fans.
You
5 followers. See you guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
ओके गाइस, तो पहले जो मेरे मुंह पे वो थी ना बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन और स्ट्रेस्ड आउट था मैं, वो अभी तो नहीं दिख रहा होगा आपको ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज आई एम वन ऑफ द सेमी फाइनलिस्ट ऑन मिंत्रा फैशन सुपरस्टार सीजन 3.
All of us really worked hard and it really paid off and I'm happy for that. Pretty scared of the next task, but I'm excited after all. Like, we've reached here, so like why not go far away and like work hard till the end.
Now this is the final lap and we just gotta give everything that we have and I'm just so excited. I'm just trying to soak it in. So yeah, cheers to the queen.
फाइनली एक कोई जीतेगा. अब देखते हैं हम टॉप 4 में से कौन जीतता है. लेट्स सी क्या होता है. बाकी जय भोलेनाथ.